Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change background color of to data point in of chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software, then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I change background color to data point of chart. Now at first you have to select this data point. I choose I choose separate color of data point. Select this data point, then right click on this selected data point, then go to format data point. Now you can see here are fill and line. Just go to fill and line and click fill, then choose solid fill. Now choose your color. Now this is choose is green. Now I choose another data point. Go to format data point, then go to fill and line, then choose your color. Same process, same data format. Now you guys see I change background color of data point of chart in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.